Today, Jayden is having a checkup.
Flump.
Dad, what is that?
That is a heartbeat.
My tummy feels wiggly.
You might be feeling nervous.
New places can make big feelings.
She will explain every step.
Let's help your body feel calm. Breathe in. In. Breathe out. Out.
Breathe in, breathe out. The doctor is here to help.
Jayden,
That's me.
come with me, please.
I'll stay with you.
Okay.
Stand tall like a giraffe.
Tall like this?
Perfect.
Great job, buddy.
I'm growing.
Now, stand still on the scale.
My feet stay still.
All done.
That was quick.
This checks your temperature.
Will it hurt?
No, it will not hurt. Ready?
Ready?
Hello, Jayden. I'm Dr. Amara.
Hello.
May I check your heart, ears, and breathing?
Yes, please.
Good asking and listening.
This is a stethoscope.
Can I touch it? My heart says thump. Thump.
Can you place your hand on your chest? Take one slow breath
Breathe in.
and breathe out.
Breathe out.
Your breathing sounds clear?
You did it.
This little light helps me look inside your ears.
A tiny light?
A very tiny light. Can you hold still?
I can hold still.
This helps me check your throat.
Aha.
Can you say a? All done.
Stand up tall and hold still too. The doctor checks on me and you.
Yeah, your checkup is finished.
I did every step.
You asked questions and stayed calm.
Brave checkup success. Breathe in, breathe out. The doctor is here to help. Breathe in, breathe out. The doctor is here to help.
Subscribe for more Jayden's Big Feelings adventures on TenderMinds TV.